A creative haven for a California-based couple, authors and owners of an independent record label, seeking a nature-oriented outpost for their writing practice. Hidden among an aspen grove near Wilson, Wyoming, ShineMaker is a retreat compound designed by CLB Architects and HSH Interiors. The mountain home spans 35 acres at the base of the Tetons, celebrating a blend of old-growth forest, young pine and aspen trees, and rolling meadows. The entrance to the home is located where the structure reaches out over a lowland creek, the relationship revealed by a moment of transparency in the floor. Comprising a main house, guest house, and writer's studio, ShineMaker is designed to unfold as a trio of simple boxes, each thoughtfully designed in response to its unique surroundings. The 6,000-square-foot main house, positioned on the edge between field and forest, mimics a geologic remnant in the landscape. The interplay with the landscape continues through the use of light Atlantic cedar, subtle plaster, and floor-to-ceiling glass, blurring the boundaries between the interior and the postcard surroundings. The residents' bohemian lifestyle and love of music, literature, and the great outdoors were the inspiration behind the interior design. They love comfort, layers and texture, vintage pieces, and a home that is inviting to family and friends, and laid back enough for their dogs. Every surface has been elevated, with artisan details like the custom-designed, tattoo-inspired bas-relief concrete on the fireplace surround, hand-painted custom wallpaper murals, and the geometric motifs carried throughout the design. The earth-toned palette, with pops of mustard, blush, and deep burgundy, is punctuated by collectible pieces, vintage finds, and contemporary art. The architecture is open, with sweeping views to mountain vistas of the Grand Tetons, natural fauna, forests, and meadows. An east-facing fireplace provides a counterpoint to the views, and an intimate courtyard allows southern light to penetrate the center of the home. In addition to the common kitchen, living, and dining spaces, the home includes 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, laundry room, and an expansive mudroom. The guest house and writer's studio nestle intimately within the wooded environment. The three-bedroom guest house is located steps away from the main house and features a similar carved-away entry and rectilinear form. The writer's studio is positioned just beyond and provides a formal contrast to the other structures. A two-story sentinel surrounded by fledgling aspens, the structure includes a first-floor living space and a second-floor studio where the occupant can be immersed in contemplation among the tree canopies. A fourth structure is planned for the future, which the architects plan to be spiritually focused to enhance the retreat's holistic nature. Wood, steel, bronze, custom-cast white concrete, bleached cedar, oversized slabs of travertine, and onyx define the material palette of ShineMaker. Italian limestone is highlighted as floors in the primary bath and is also highlighted for the custom bathtub, which was water jet cut from a single block of limestone to create a striking monolithic and sculptural design element. Each window frames a view of the prairie and Teton range beyond. Rectilinear in plan, the main house appears to grab surrounding trees as anchors, sinking in the center and pulling upward toward the sky at the corners. Working in concert with the landscape, this dynamic quality is carried through the building's charred shosugi-ban exterior, tugged and carved to create overhangs and openings.